The first in a series of videos focused on answering Olmsted County's COVID-19 questions has been released today. Mayo Clinic, Olmsted County Public Health, and Olmsted Medical Center all participated in answering the community's questions. KIMT News 3's Jessica Bringy joins us live from downtown Rochester with how the new format is seeking to better inform us all. Jessica?
Amy, in a nearly hour-long video, topics such as masking, misinformation, and myths, along with vaccines, were all covered in a first attempt at answering the questions that matter the most to us all.
Now we'll move on to the topic of masking. Graham, would universal masking in indoor spaces help reduce transmission?
On the Olmsted County Public Health Services YouTube page, health leaders are addressing COVID-19 topics.
Masking is a small part of this, and the science needs to mature on it. Certainly it works, but in what degree it works and where it works will still be debated.
OCPHS Director Graham Briggs says the video answers the most asked questions from the Olmsted County community as information continues to evolve.
Talking about the current situation is challenging because we're seeing the science evolve in front of us and at times evolving very quickly. So what we said last week might be different this week. And that's not because we're misleading people or we don't know what we're doing. As we're gathering more and more information, we may find a specific piece of information that really changes the way that we look at things or the strategies that we need to take.
You can easily access the video by going on your computer or, of course, watching it on your phone. Briggs also says if you still have questions, you are able to send those in, and health leaders will look to address those in the next video.
And continue to ask the public to send in questions so that we can have a group of experts address those in this sort of form.
The next video's topic will focus on youth and their experience with COVID-19 vaccines and masking. Briggs says the overall goal is to provide clear and accurate information to the public.
There's a lot of different people saying different things. And so I think one thing that we've wanted to work on in Olmsted County and working with Mayo and Olmsted Medical Center is to make ourselves available, make our data transparent, talk to the public about what we're seeing, and like in this case, make ourselves available just to answer the questions that we're commonly seeing coming in so that there's a place to go to get answers to those questions.
And if you are interested in submitting questions for the next video, we do have that email address linked to this story on KIMT.com. Live in Rochester, Jessica Bringy, KIMT News 3.
Thanks, Jessica. There is no timeline for when the next video will be released. However, you can find the current video on KIMT.com.